Гей, геймерки і геймери, новий епізод. 6-й, здається. У нас так само нова заставка, і ось, напевно, ми будемо лежати вдома, глядіти проєктор. Давайте починати. Як завсюди, Game by ADHOC Studio in collaboration з Critical Role. Так. Клац-клац, клавіатура знову. Так, ми знову будемо спробувати костюм. Новий прототип, ну всі за нас крутять. Завзєють.
We're only here because these broke asses want proof before they pay.
That actually makes way more sense.
Can't believe you actually hung out with these fuckers.
You jealous, old man?
Of what? Let me guess. You get into a bar fight? I'm right. That's what criminals do.
Я прав.
Ruin everybody's fun. Fact. If you're gonna make me stand next to a criminal, you
Да, я он пропустив 3 трака. Так.
Benjamin's fucking button, you could at least change his diaper.
you're the only one here that's full of shit.
Well, what you missed was 3 a.m. tacos leading to 4 a.m. heartburn, followed by 5 a.m. diarrhea. And despite all of that, it was lovely.
Okay, protocol test 19 ready to commence. We good when you good, Mecha Man.
Engaging protopuls.
Ка потрималася? Я думаю, що час ка потрималася, 6-й епізод. А усього 8.
All readings super stable.
Час уже рухатися.
And re-entrance.
Салют.
All right, ready for launch.
Roger that.
Треба рухатися по сюжеті вже, я думаю, по сюжету. Ну йоу.
See there? Is that confirmation enough for you cheap ass bitches?
Pay me my money.
Fucking hell.
Told y'all, it's so obvious he don't have superpowers.
It's a fucking waste of time. If he was gonna lie about being a hero, why would he pick Mecha Man?
Reminder the mic is still open.
Looks better than the original.
The smoke is a little overkill.
I thought the same too, but I think the purple is a nice touch.
What smoke? Shut it down.
Так, щось тут все-таки пішло. А щось GTA Плазмі зараз як Конік зробить суперздольним.
Oh fuck, I'm on it.
Дарах його там зап'ятшує. Це йому приснилося? Виглядало реалістично. Ні, я думаю, це не приснилося, звісно. Напевно, це було саме справа. Так, головне наша підтримка. Ну,
Welcome
і він
back.
тут сидить. Хто ще тут є?
How long was I out?
About 14, 15 hours, I think.
You okay?
Це вже
Lord?
друга кома.
Why do you look
Боже,
worse
чо?
than me?
It's over, brother. I cannot recreate the astral pulse.
Ні, не треба пускати
Too
руки.
much power. Too small a size. No pulse mean I can't make the man Mecha. I'm not good enough, bro. Fail you, I fail everybody. Almost bring down the
Я
whole
у
team.
його віру.
Hey, listen. You might not believe in yourself right now, but I believe in you, Royd.
It's not a little league game, brother. This real life.
Royd. You did your best. I can't ask for anything else. Thank you.
Ага, братишка.
I heard that big bastard crying in the bathroom. Makes it hard to shit when somebody's doing that next to you, you know?
Pretty distracting. Yeah. Everyone else okay? Invisigo?
Fine. One thing she's good at is disappearing when
Тебе
people get
тільки
hurt.
я нахвалюю. Типу,
What's your deal with her?
з усіх.
You give everyone shit, but it always seems extra with Vizzy.
She's a liability. And one of us needs to be objective when it's clear something's going on between the two of you.
Нічого
think I don't
поміж
see it.
нами
It's
нема.
all over your stupid face. You like her. So I got a hater for the both of us.
You're reading it wrong.
На гулам,
We work
якби
together,
цим би,
Trace.
мені
Our
здається,
relationship is strictly professional. Nothing
ми
more
могли
than
би
that.
стати добрими друзями, але я правда не хочу
Some
нічого
people with black
романтичного
You
з
reach out to
нею.
help them and they just suck you in and do whatever the fuck black holes do. I don't know. They fuck you up.
Your new look screams I know some science shit, so I was with you the whole way.
Nah, come on, take the day off.
No, really. I'm fine. All I've got to do is sit at a desk.
Desk work doesn't land you in the infirmary. Think about that.
I'll mull it over.
Stick to the plan. If they're red ring or enhanced, proceed.
А вона робить нашу працю?
Oh, one sec. What are you doing up?
Легшей, обдимай, коли ласка. Все болить.
You really gave us a scare.
Turns out, I'm completely fine. Just sort of time traveled several hours into the future where I feel pretty rested.
Oh, cool, yeah. That happens to me every night.
Wish I could say the same. How's the ship going?
Good? Yeah. Challenging.
Напевно, ні.
Made
Може,
worse
вона так
by the
само
amount of
хвилюється.
we're dealing with lately. I have a whole new appreciation for you.
До мене.
I'm sorry about the pulse. Give us some time. Royd's a
Але
little
що не
down,
було робити? Я щось раніше не
but
зауважала.
we can come up with alternate power sources. Hey, really looking forward to tonight. Perfect timing.
Yeah,
А
same.
що сьогодні?
Wait, what are you...
Ну. У нас ніяке споткання нове не придумали. Віншую над з тим, що ти не помер.
Dispatch dude, but I don't know if sending him a level at his sub at Sunday school was the move.
Ну що, вітанки всім. Тата у хаті, так би мовить. Так, треба виглядати як звичайний дуд. Час є? Хто хоче відпочне інаць і скончиться час? Ай, бляха, я ще й
down
тут.
to the store. Can someone watch my sweet kitty Hobbs while I'm out? He's fussy today.
Та, давай.
Here to help.
Навіть не веду, що може здаритися
I need someone to wait
з
in line for this
просто
really cool game that
з
I'm old enough to
котом.
play, and my parents said it was okay to call SDN.
Давай
Alright,
ось так,
well,
не
fucking
ведаю.
this.
Holy shit, man, you're okay? Yeah, I was so fucking scared, dude.
Yes, Mecha Man's a bit
Что с котом?
Damn, boy, you ate
Это совсем не кот, это великий.
Did you see it?
I
Тигр.
did. Thank you. That was very nice.
Yes, well, I'm glad you're not dead. That would have been inconvenient.
Ну, нам
I
треба
am
за їм
impressed
його
with your
поглядіти,
fragile body's
приглядіти.
ability to sustain such a wide array of
Не
injuries.
отрималася.
Welcome back.
Лав бомб, давай. Ні? Та харизма треба була. Либо ж би ми в ресл брали, у нас були б шанси.
Robert, some asshole keeps hacking into my notes app. He's fucking with all my stand-up comedy material. Also, I
Зараз
think they have access to our
поглядім.
secure servers.
Ой, ось обмежування по часі.
Ah, fuck.
Та-дам! Что у нас тут? Вверх, вверх, вниз. Ах, это не весь код. Так, там было вверх, вверх, вниз. Вверх, вверх, вниз, лево, право, лево. Вверх, вверх, вниз, лево, право, лево, вверх, вверх, вниз, вверх, вверх, вниз, лево, право, лево. Бадам! Зроблено. Хакцькнули. Ну, хоть нечто.
I can't take it.
Что, тут не отрималось нічого? Найс.
Bravo.
Отрималося.
Hello? Yes, it's that time of month again. Send your finest over to clean my abode.
Треба бить.
Showtime.
Good Blazer, hold down the fort, okay?
She did the best she could. Must be a bit rusty.
She's been away from the desk too long.
I thought this was an easy job.
Well, it's not. I just make it look easy.
Shit, Robert. You're actually cool. He's not. He's just been gone all day, so it seems like he is.
Сумували, сумували. Так, деескалувати нейку бойку нам треба. Побить нікага і ескортов. А ён пакрыціўся на нас, нема гэтага военшыка нашага.
My pleasure. Graceful, but deadly.
Flambe is still out sick.
Sick of your shit, maybe. But yeah, I haven't heard anything from him since last
Ой.
night.
Funny. I thought he was gonna catch me on the way
Стой.
in, fuck me up in the parking lot.
Yeah.
Ну,
I
десь
thought
нам
so, too.
шансує. Такс. Ну, напевно, треба мобільності. І що, хтось яще? А, 2? Давайте яще мобільності. Ті все ж таки харизми, так? 6 уровень. Давайте. 7 уровень теперь. Так, окей.
Believes me, but there's definitely a ghost in my house.
Зараз ми перевіримо, чи є там некий
Exorcisms or whatever.
призрак.
I'll crack some skulls. Unfinished
Давайте,
business is just
хлопці.
fancy talk for a stubborn bollocks.
Гэта у депресії знову. Нікого вольного нема. Давайте почекаємо. Може, призма хоч.
Re-election's coming up, and we're hosting a little roast of the mayor. An SDN hero would really round out our guest list.
Разумним треба бути. Іначе не поспіє почнуть.
Nice choice.
Ну, калі даслаць яе, то разам яны крыху больш разумныя.
I don't write my own jokes. Can't we hire somebody?
Так, тут што адбываецца? Некие голоси. Давайте заспокоїмо, але мені здається, треба було насамперед туди сходити. Хто відає, що там. Ну, виконано і нехай так. Отскочи! Ну, здрада просто.
There's a full-on
Надо,
gang war
никто
happening
не
in the warehouse
отпочне.
district. Looks like Red Ring and the Frigos.
Shit. The Red Ring's closing in on this biker gang.
Oh, that's actually the Frigos. They're an e-biker gang. Way worse.
Никто не поспеет почнуть.
Whoa, did you guys hear Vanderstank and his wife got divorced?
Finally. I was beginning to believe Vanderstank's wife lacked both taste and sense.
I knew the vibes were off this morning, but I couldn't
Ну,
tell if it was
69.
divorce
Не
vibes
треба.
or shitty commute traffic vibes.
Hey, maybe she's not going to hell after all.
Marrying someone can send you to hell.
Yeah, but only if you marry a billionaire.
Короче, можно потренировать. Или у нас тут так щось нема. Уп! Ай, трошки не хапіла.
Tried hard. That's what matters.
Давайте, відпочивайте, відпочивайте. То нікого нема.
The faction
Так,
of light
глядім.
needs your help to overtake the faction of darkness.
Харизма, я думаю, треба велика.
When the park closes.
What the fuck is alarm?
It stands for live action role play, but it's not a sex thing. Okay, it's like people dressing up and playing pretend type shit.
Still sounds like a sex thing.
Hey, girl.
Ну, може, ти одна здолієш.
Darkness! That's a good band name.
Let's go.
Докладно треба, каб ти була.
Don't disappear on me.
Давайте вас.
Fine.
Mr. Vanderstank is requesting assistance. His line of delivery bots appear to have gained sentience and are attacking the city.
Ён був мені потрібний.
Please stay ready.
Close your eyes. You're not gonna like what you see anyway.
Robbery
Ну,
downtown.
давайте,
Suspect is in
сподіваюся, у
pursuit,
вас...
but we need SDN to defrost the bank.
Кого будемо гуляти? Іграти. Барда? Давайте Барда. Оборала правильно.
This beat can't get any sicker, baby.
Такс. Мобільність? Чи будемо все-таки у інтелект? Нам інтелекту жорстко не хапає. Так що давайте, напевно, інтелект. Ми
Opportunity for flying beta burn
растопить
shit, and he ain't even here.
Flame by will receive. А їх нема у мене.
Might
Так
take a while,
що
but you
весь
can try
гайд,
chipping
напевно.
away at the ice.
Але у мене ж всі заняті.
Yeah, be
Ладно,
glad to.
може пошансує. Тут пошансувало? Да. Нормальово.
Well done.
Нормальово, нормальово. Так. Цікаво, звісно, що ми з асасінки робимо некую вельми розумну. Ну, окей, асасін так-то їм потрібен. Розум. Так, 9, це твоє опошнє лише. Альбо харизму. Не, давайте вось гэта.
Listen,
Что
bring your
тут,
kid
что
to
тут?
work day, and I thought he could try using the forklift.
Хтосьці з розумом, я не відпочиваю. Ну, може, якраз таки на поспі відпочнуть. Стоп. 100% поспіх. Так. Так, 10 уровень не апошнім. А вось у іх тут нейкія сінергії ёсць. Цікава. Так, ну... Бой, значить, туди вось у гэты закуток себе будем развивать. Так, а тебе что? Ну, харизму, напевно. Давайте вось так. Кого я шукаю? Я вже забилася. Хтось з розумом. Ти.
Swift as the night, sharp as my knife.
Call me a bogo bitch.
Докладно у вас там все тримається. Ну, напевно, пропустим. О, 11%. Давай, 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 давай. Yes!
Jesus, that took forever.
Бо буває. На отачівку за гэта некую далі. Так, 2 поінти. А ми не ведаем, з ким у яе сінергії може бути. Ой. Давайте комбат яшчэ раз, бо мы, ну, всё гэтага военчика на комбат натягивали, а ён слюся. Ну и давайте интеллекту трошку.
Vanderstank wants them destroyed, but I think there's a way to reprogram them.
Скип. Скип. Так,
There's some activity
поспели.
down in the sewers. My tenants are getting uneasy. Can you folks look into it?
Oh, sure.
I've been wanting to fight.
Yo,
Давайте.
snacks.
I thought you said you had it. No, that was me.
Night, everyone.
Добраніч уже.
I'll see your dumbasses in the morning.
I've got the booze.
Folks down for a carpool? I got room.
Shotgun.
I will be happy to assist in transport if someone wished to fly over in my arms.
Уже вернусь. Навчання доволі хутко проходять. О! Супер обилка. Disrupted? Что тут відбувається? Хтось там у підвалі таки живе. У нас на 10-очку харизми. Давайте дипломатичне. Дипломатичне — это на розум було? Ну... Шок. Ось у яго вельмі дзіўная та штука і на вельмі маленька тэрыторыя ахопвае. типу, вельмі мало. Не ведаю, мабільнасць можа пачаць яго развіваць. Ладно. Ай. Ну что, все, скончилось? 15, 10, 4. Ну, нормально. Плюс 5 у вынику. Не, ладно, 10 беспеховых, 5 непоспеховых. Это плюс 10, просто что могло бы быть плюс 16. Плюс 15, один-то мы за ничего не могли поробить. Ну, не ведаю нават.
Feels like for the first time in a long time I can see a life without Mecha Men. Which I'm sure you would appreciate. And nice that we get to spend more time together, right?
Ну,
The Z
команда
team might fuck up
зараз
for a while,
больш
but at some point
важная.
they're gonna get good. And when that happens,
Да.
they'll make a bigger impact than I ever could alone. But just when I feel like I got a handle on it, got it figured out, I think about Chase and my dad and Shroud, then I get all fucked up. You know what I'm saying, Beef? You know
Та, і
what
він
I mean?
все ведає, все розуміє. Міновіто.
Yeah, exactly. See, this is why I appreciate her talks.
Хтось... А, Блейзер для нас? До нас же хотіла прийти. Ой, там хтось дренний? А, ні. Дренний.
Are you decent? Definitely a house that needs some warmth.
Yeah, I told him that the last time I came.
Що ви тут робите?
Somehow it looked worse.
Why are you... What is this?
Прийшли кіно
What's happening?
піздець?
We came to save the day. Or the nights. We've come to save the night.
That rubs out, by the way. You just have to put a little muscle into it. Do you know where you'd want to hang this?
Why are you holding a lamp?
I think he's already
Своїм
considered where he'd
хвостом
hang
тим
himself.
більше.
That corner seems fine. It's a housewarming gift for your housewarming party, Robert. I told people to bring a lamp or something.
Wait, people? More people are coming here? To my home?
Так, Пранай,
Look,
те
I'm not really in
саме,
a party mood right now.
що-нибудь наніс.
Tidy whities.
Okay, she just touched my...
This is your family photo area? Kind of morbid. Which I'm kind of into.
Is that my work computer?
We figured it out, brother. The man can be Mecha again.
After your little premature Jack explosion, I had this feeling like I'd seen it before.
Then Vizzy asked me to get the energy reading we got this morning and cross-reference with recent calls.
Wait. It's not destroyed?
Nope. And a bunch of B-grade villains have been trying to unlock its power only to end up blowing their asses off like you did. Then they sell it on the next sucker and the same shit. It's passed hands at least 4 times that we've tracked.
How does Shroud not know this?
Yeah, probably think like us. They think it was destroyed. But he's a smart fucker, and he gonna figure it out soon enough.
That's why we get to it first.
Which is why we're having a party?
The Z-Teamers know every low-level supervillain in 3 counties. We track its location. They'll know who has it. Then we kick in some doors, knock some heads, snatch that shit back, and you'll be
Ну,
pulsing
дякую,
or whatever in
хлопці і
no time.
дівчата.
Regardless of how this plays out. Thank you, both of you. I'm just, I can't remember the last time someone did something so...
Та що?
What is wrong with you?
Just get gushy after we find the shit.
So, one of the last pings that we got was from a boat over here in Marina Del Rey. Which is?
Oh, Yachty territory.
Why, she's here first. You know much about those guys?
Old money crew of ascot wearing cokeheads. Skylar Arcadia runs it now. 3 generations that family's been trying to finger me.
What are they accusing you of?
You're cute.
We're gonna ask you some questions about a piece of tech they moved. But first, Rob gotta put on pants.
Aw, what? But then I can't do this.
Yep, right on that.
Та хопіть його чіпати, це гвалт. Тримайте зашині нам для собачки, там було саме найс. Лампи усе роблять лепше. як не всіх персонажів вось нам развіваюць. То ми даволі шмат ведаем пра Invisigal, ну штосьці пра Феноменмена. І, ну, по факту, ну, ось гэтага нашага вялікага хлопца, які нам дапамагае. Усе астатнія ну, пайшла. Ра. Ну, і яна принесла нам некую канапу. Нават 2 лампы. Это феномен, просто такие рады потанчить побач з Блонд Блейзер, як я забуваю прозвище. Ooh, let's go. Зараз розоб'ємо йому серце. Тут, окей, шмат серця, здається, буде розбито.
You do understand how projectors work, right?
Felt more dramatic. And bare walls are a sign of depression.
Why is it always a warehouse by the docks?
It's where stuff comes in and stuff goes out. Not a rocket scientist, are ya?
No, that was my dad. What kind of security are you dealing with?
That's where it gets tricky.
Ooh.
There's more than shit. You need a
Да
fucking arm.
холера усього.
I'll go. Can't shoot what you can't see.
Look, this is really great work, but doing this tonight is out of the question. Hitting a secure location like this is something they would handle downtown.
Are you kidding? There's enough firepower in this room to take down a fucking kaiju.
Bunch of drunk-ass Z-teamers, please. Y'all wouldn't make it past the front door.
No one's asking you to do a goddamn thing, okay?
Hey, no need for that.
Блін, так сказала, мені тепер здається, що гэта старий все-таки використає свої здольності і може загине.
If we don't grab it, someone else will.
You all are capable of a lot, but this,
Я не
this is
поспела
way
де
out of our
протиснуть.
league.
There's no guarantee it'll be there tomorrow. We need to go now.
She said no. You understand that word, or has it got too many fucking syllables for you?
Why don't you go walk your ass around a mall, Grandpa? Heroes are talking.
You are no fucking hero.
Whoa, hey!
She named you Invisigal, you named yourself Invisibitch, and you had it fucking right.
Chase, you're drunk.
Чому він продає так
You want to get people hurt,
ненавидіть?
get people fucking killed, then you need to go back to the team where you
Ну,
belong.
очепіться я.
Chase, that's enough.
Та вже too much.
She thinks she's
Live
like
stream.
you, but she's not. Robert doesn't need to keep going out there with no powers, putting his life on the line to make up for assholes like you. He doesn't need to be Mecha Man to be a hero. You're playing them, you're playing yourself. You think you're invisible, but I fucking see you.
You don't know anything about me.
I know you're a liar, criminal. I know you're fucking dangerous. What else do I need to know?
Чому він не очепився?
Now I know
Я не
you're
розумію.
Oh my god.
Take this,
Busy,
old man.
wait.
Я не розумію, що з ним не так.
Airborne. How are you not dead?
Chase,
Чи
you all right?
він в порядку?
That's enough for tonight. I'm sorry this turned into whatever just happened.
Oh, okay.
Anyone who utters one word about what happened tonight fucking answers to me. Got it?
Хтось там грукає.
Invisigal.
Yeah, so
Він тобі
I might
третю
have to do
лямпу
that once a month or
приніс.
so as a release of my hatred for you. But perhaps
Він
with
вернувся.
some time,
Це і
you'll
так
be
уже
less of a
добре.
bitch to me.
У його брові зросли за цей час.
Happy housewarming, bitch. Your place fucking sucks.
Так, добре. Команда поширилась. Ну, все сміття потім виноси, прибирай за этими тусовщиками. Это червоная зона.
Sir, you can't park there. That's the red zone. Thought you went home.
Came back to apologize. All these goddamn apartments look the same. That guy watching us from the balcony walked into his house thinking it was yours. Sorry about that. Fuck you!
Hey, he said he was sorry.
Well, fuck you too!
Okay, let's just...
You sure this ain't vodka?
She told you?
Made quite a first impression. Didn't know you were into spitting in people's mouths. Kinky shit. It's that internet somehow made sex born.
Okay.
Откуда, блин, это все ведаю?
Another thing I can't do anymore. Fuck. Maybe it's why I say the word so much.
Sorry, Chase. I hadn't thought about that.
I had a pretty good run. You ever think about why we do what we do? Help people.
Конечно.
Put it all on the line for someone who won't ever know your name, won't send you a thank you card, won't be at your
Это
bedside when you get
правильная речь.
It's just the right thing to do.
Sure. And you think the Z team will be able to tell the difference?
Одно
The first week, Busy was gonna walk off the team. You know, she's feeling low, talking about how she was born with powers that always meant she'd end up as a villain. Like he was fated. So, obviously, I gave her the pep talk, you know. Like, that's all bullshit. You make up your own fate, yada yada. I don't even remember what I said, but I do remember thinking, oh, fuck. Yeah, that must have been hard. Like, if I didn't have you, you know, and my dad, where would I have ended up?
Невідомо.
You were always good.
Докладно, я бы не займався тим, чим займається зараз.
Thief like her.
Oh, come on. You've stolen things too.
What? You racist motherfucker. I never stole a fucking thing in my entire fucking life.
Chase, you've literally stolen things from me.
Oh yeah, but that doesn't count. That was for somebody else.
What, you quietly contemplating?
Yeah, I guess I hadn't considered some things. But I think the answers are out there if you just listen to the wind.
I see why you and Beef get along.
Oh, where's my guy? Oh, I'm
Что
sorry,
он там?
my poor boy. That's it. There's my boy. There's my good boy. Who's a good boy? Beef is.
Щось там не так. Яна пішла в одиночку.
Is there a mic on this? Hey! Hey, can you hear me? The fuck are you doing?
Oh, not much. Just looking for your stupid ass pulse that's somewhere on this big ass boat.
Поймете хочешь.
Super villain group chat, because this place is crawling with dipshits. The news is they don't know where it is either.
You know who's not good, Beefy boy? You know who's a real pain?
Fizzy.
Get out of there now.
Look, you're disappointed, I'm disappointed. I'm sure Chase will have some shit to talk, but I'm here, and this is our last chance of getting this thing.
Okay, maybe if I can hack into the system, I can trace the energy signal. Check the manifest.
Something would be great. Yeah, let's start with something.
Ой. Ой, добре, нема обмежування по часі. А это что за червоное? Вверх-вверх, вправо.
Shit, need the password.
Да, добре, што ён у мяне ёсць. Так, вось зноўку з'явілася гэтая частота нейкія.
Hey, I'm getting a huge
Нашлося.
energy reading coming from the captain's quarters.
Right, and I'm supposed to know where that is?
See that tower?
The biggest one. It's at the top.
Oh, perfect. So you want me to cross this active battlefield?
Look, I didn't want you to do any of this shit.
I get it, okay? Jesus.
Keep your eyes peeled for Elizabeth. Looks like she might know something we don't.
Зараз всі будуть за тобою.
Oh, hey, there's a door to your left.
Fuck, it's locked.
Є начинено так.
Feel free to take your time. Just catching up with some old friends.
Тут обмежовано по часі.
Almost got it.
Так нема ніякої лямпочки тут.
I think I can use this.
Hurry up!
Спробую. Чекай. Лево, вверх, право. Лево, вверх, право. Ладно. Як нам некі такі сюжетно квести, так это легкие взломы. Звичайно.
This fucking guy.
Okay, hey, Izzy, lead him towards that speaker tower. I've got an idea.
Better be a good one.
Да сюди вони у парі працюють.
Follow me, Featherdick! I got something real cool to show you! At the tower, do your thing!
Working on it.
Work! Faster!
Ну, спробую.
Got you.
Так, вертаємося. Так, отрималося.
Busy. Cover your ears.
Is that why birds fly into shit?
Busy, look out behind you.
Як ти таке розумієш назвати карті?
Fuck me. How am I supposed to get around that?
Look, hey, just worry about not dying. I'll find you a way around.
О, так само на Саркейну похож на хлопця. Так, наступне. І що, як?
My knee just passing through.
Fuck me, they're minding me.
Лево, право? Я не ведаю. Лево, право, здається. Що це було? Ну, опошня спроба. Лево, право. Загріть. Скільки натиснула? Ні, давай, дівчина, ти сама.
Close enough.
Ого, я не придумала, як злетіти.
Right in front of you.
Tell us where the pulse is, Invisibitch, before we go full Pompeii on your ass.
Full Pompeii on my ass? What kind of threat is that? You gonna give me diarrhea?
Wait, no. That was predictable.
Що це близнюки? Ну, їх це не спиня.
That's not gonna hold him for long.
It's in the safe.
The safe? I don't know how
А
to
як і
open
на
the safe.
мусі зламати я?
See what I can do.
А, знову обмежування. Давай це буде за легким. Мені здається, нам туди не треба. Это нереально. Ну, нічого не
Wait, what?
працює.
I didn't even...
Apparently you did something because it's wide open.
Whatever, job done. Take the win.
Is it in there?
Ні, гэта ніяка
I
пастка.
don't know. Does it look like a little glowy butt plug?
You know what? I guess it does. Okay.
So now all you gotta do is sneak past the...
Why did stop?
Хтось всіх забіў.
Are they?
І хтось їх хакнув, але гэта былі не мы.
Hang on. Trying to get the camera back online. I see you. You're good. Just
Да кидай
take
гэту
one
і
step at a time.
ратуйся.
Visigow, stop.
Ну все, яна будзе ў закладніках цяпер. Ой-ой-ой, ой-ой-ой.
Hey, Busy.
Не, дакладна, ён будзе яе браць у закладнікі. Ай, яшчэ праблемы.
Hey, Busy, he's just gonna keep fucking with you, but you don't give up, okay?
Да, складана назіраці і нема ніякої магчимості дапамагчы.
You gotta fight. Please. Busy, hey, listen to me. You get up. Get up!
Што, мы зараз неяк вельмі...
Keep up. No!
Я так і ведала. Боже, він вертає її життя. Чи це правда його пашні? Блін, шкода. Скільки ламп йому принесли? Це, звісно, порабачення. Ось і кінець епізоду. Сумно. Ху-ху-ху. Я так і ведала, що дядуля помре, але ми не ведали як. Його смерть має великий сенс, як на мене. Мы 14%. Я просто не поспела отказать то, что я хотела. Я хотела, что нам треба час все спланувати. Так, бо я медленно. Я чувствую вельми дрэнна. О, мы потанчили, это нават не было выбором. Просто як факт, что у нас такие значности. Усього 21 салют, і я думаю, всі робили супергеройську позу. Затягнули бардом. %, ну це лепш, чим попередній. Ми усього лиш горш, чим 80% гульцов. 4 ніякі гуляють. Так, ну все, до побачення.